Hey guys, today I am playing some more Animal Jam, and we're gonna be playing some best dress, and hopefully we will win. So wait, let me start. Sorry if it lags sometime. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Cool. And yeah, so let's go. And we're gonna be playing some Bistress. What's Bistress? Waiting for it to load. Let's go to Bistress. You man are gonna be on YouTube. Best dressed. Best dressed. Not best dress. What am I talking about? Oh god. I am the master of death. You must never. I'm gonna be a green killer. You must die. I am a green shell. You can never destroy me. What? I'm the green killer. It's very cool, ninja. Woo! Wait, nah. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna do 2 rounds on this because I want to play some special match too. Dress up almost like a hero. I know what a hero should made. I don't know what a hero should have for his head. Oh god, that's pretty good. That's like a joker. That's a joker. Like, he will have that back. I'm Superman. Legs. You must die from my spiky shell. Actually, my horns. I look like a bad guy. No. I don't know. Okay. Who should I vote for? I'll vote for you. You look like a villain. You look like a villain. You don't look like a superhero. You look like a dangerous villain that's gonna kill him. No. I shine like the star. I shine like a star. Yes! I won! Yes! See, I dressed up like a superhero. Yes, I won! I'm a masterpiece. Yes! Stop celebrating. I dressed up the funny. Oh wait, dress up the most. Okay, what about I don't want to do that. I would just move around there actually. Okay, I'm gonna teleport back to my body. Teleport it in back to my body. Whoa! Hi, man. Nice then. Cool then. This is not cool. Blind then. This is not cool then. Come to my den. Why aren't they coming to my den? What do I say every time you don't come to my den? Come to my den. Come to my den. are come to my den. Why are they coming to my den? Jesus! There you go. Seriously, what are you doing? Yes, come to my den. Come to my den. The hell do you come from my den? Wait, who's that? Hey, Gary! You. Hey, you with the head. No. Hey, my buddy. Yeah. I think I should do a mail time. Should I? Shut up! A mail time. Did you just go on the weather? Oh, let's go to head. Oh, nice. 10. Kill them. Anyway, this video we're gonna be looking at my messages, Demograms, and I got 33 downloads. Just meet me at Current Fans. Thank you. Indeed, Buddha. Meet me and come back out back. I'll just hang out until you get back. I'm Dan Rax. You are so cool. I am. Okay, you get something. You are so cool. Over there. And you can have you can have a bunny toy. So, let's get back to my Demograms. Those up to some cool. Best friends. I know I am. Animal Jam Rocks. I know my Animal Jam Rocks. You don't need to say it again. Animal Jam Rocks. Jam and ham mini plushies. I hand you a. Oh, fine, I'll hand you another one. It's our calendar, Jason! God. Oh, God. Oh, why did I press that? Where am I? Let's play Fancy Girls. I really like it. Oh yeah. Jam Rocks. Jam and I hand me mini plushies. Fun to get it's a cool. Yeah. And also get one of my plushies. Where are my plushies? You can have a Raccoon plushie. And you can have this one. I got this in the book. Let's go back to my Demograms. I was up to 11. Animal Jam Rocks. I know it does. I really like it. I'll give you something later. Let's play Fruit Sinks. A Slinger. Do you want to trend? No! We are funny. Yeah, we are. No, we're not. Yes, we are. It's our cool. I know they are. No Jam Rocks. Everybody send me a freaking present! We are two of a kind. I know! You're so cool. What's your skin? I really like your animal. Sweet, man. Let's play tic-tac-toe. Not now, because you're not online. Spring is here. I know it is, but now it's not. Animal Jam Rocks. 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 Thanks. Yeah. Can I have a present? Fine, I'll give you one present. It's one, okay? Let's play Splash and Dash. What should I give you? I will give you. Oh my god, I don't know what to give her. I have so much good stuff. I don't want to give somebody that. You get that? A drop toy. You like it? Okay. Oh. Ah! Stop hugging my pet. Okay, you wanna, Hannah? Let's play Splash and Dash. Play Splash and Dash! She's gonna take me. What's she doing anyway? She's just standing there. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay guys, we're gonna just go and play Splash and Dash, I don't care. Let's go play Splash and Dash. Sorry in this video. But guys, can we get 100 likes? 100 likes. Can we? If we can, that's cool. It's all set. Mine was a black one because I had a girlfriend, but it got deleted. So I just had a black one, so yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, we're doing it. I'm doing great. Yes, I'm a master at this game. Oh god, I'm just so. No! You come back. You're gonna take my lead. No! Why are you so good at this instead of me? I used to be so good at this game, but now I'm not. Oh, yes, I am. Oh, am I am a piece of... No! You! Mister! Come back! No! Seriously? No! I can't say that! Okay. Hey, don't you do that to me, because I'm the boss ass bitch. Oh, you got a plan. Too bad. Oh, I got this one. That's bad. They can catch up. I will do a Hunger Games video, but okay, guys. Basically, one day I will do a Hunger Games video, maybe on Wednesday or Tuesday, I don't know, guys, because it's school holidays and I get to go stay home and do nothing. Anyway, and I'm just gonna end the video. One more round of Splash and Dash and I'll end the video. But can we get about like 50 likes? I'll go with. If we can't, then just get 50 likes. Anyway. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all later. Woo!